On January 24 at about 8:30, birthday po ito mismo nung ating victim ni Staff Sergeant Kasaway. He asked permission from his wife na siya ay pupunta sa Malolos to meet an asset. And nangyari po, hindi na po siya nakabalik. That's why the following day, next slide. The following day, his wife reported to Baliwag City Police Station that his husband was missing. And right there and then, naglabas din tayo ng flash alarm para to locate the victim. And we even created an SITG to focus primarily on the investigation surrounding the circumstances of the incident. Next slide. On January 30, because of this investigation, we learned that one of our policemen in Malolos, Bulacan, meron siyang kinalaman doon sa insidente. That's in the person of Corporal Vivancio Abalos. Because, remember, this January 24 na wala si Kasaway, ito ay binaril. Binaril ito doon sa isang compound, and the gunman, Julian Salamat, together with another witness, went to Corporal Abalos, binanggit niya lahat na pangyayari. So, na-discover natin yan January 30 na. So, makikita mo dito yung talagang deliberate yung pag-conceal ni Abalos nung insidente. So, on January 30, about 6 p.m., nakuha rin natin yung isang witness in a alias Mark natin. Siya rin yung nag-elaborate, nag-corroborate ng statement ni Corporal Abalos kung paano pinatay si Corporal Kasaway. Next. That's why on the eve of January 30, at about 11:30 p.m. ng gabi, a joint operation composed of the PRO3, the Malolos CPS, the PDEG, the SOCO, we went to the crime scene located sa isang subdivision sa Malolos in Barangay Mohon. And dun nga, na-discover natin sa septic tank yung cadaver ni Staff Sergeant Kasaway together yung kanya mga personal belonging. The cadaver was positively identified by his wife. In-identify mismo ng asawa niya na yun si Staff Sergeant Kasaway. And from the crime scene, we recovered empty shell. And based from the SOCO report, Corporal Kasaway, mayroon siyang 3 tama ng baril, isa sa ulo at 2 sa kamay. So makita natin na parang sinasangga niya. So ang primary suspect dito si Julian Salamat. 4 yung arrested natin, but we still have 7 at-large suspect included in the filing of case. Na-inquest na po ito. Together, ito yung 4 and yung ating 7 other suspects.
This case is considered solved except for the apprehension of the several suspects, namely Julian Salamat alias Mon. The DLG is putting a 1 million peso price tag on the head on the arrest, on information leading to the arrest of Mon Salamat. Ang bawat pinapatay po, ang bawat buhay po ng pulis ay mahalaga sa amin. Hindi ho namin pinapamenos kung may nangyari sa aming kapulisan. Ginagawa nila ang kanilang trabaho, napakataas ang tiwala ng mga tao sa kanila. Yung mga gantong klaseng bagay ay hindi natin pwedeng palusutin. I am announcing a 1 million peso reward for information leading to the arrest of Mon Salamat and company.